You don't need any investment or any pricey tool to start creating content. Here are 5 free tools that you can use for content creation. Canva. Without any experience in graphic design, you can easily create a visually appealing design thanks to the thousands of templates it offers. Create posts, stories, add creatives, and presentations for free on Canva. Answer the public. Wonder what kind of questions your target audience is asking about your niche? Just type your niche in this tool and you'll get plenty of ideas to start with. CapCut. This is by far the best free video editing tool to use currently to edit videos, especially on the phone. Create inspiring and catchy videos for your business with the easy use of CapCut. PhotoRoom. Do you want to take professional pictures of your products but you don't have a studio? Don't look further. Use PhotoRoom to crop your product's pictures and use its features to give it a nice background. SimilarWeb. Want to get a view on how your competition is doing? Put the URL of your competitor on this website and get tons of statistics about them. You won't have to worry anymore about finding a strategy to outperform them. Don't miss out any other free tips like this about digital marketing. Make sure to follow this account to stay up to date.